We found a receipt for the kitchen that was here before, and it was from 1977. So I wanted something that was going to last just as long. Hi, I'm Bianca Westwood. You might know me from Soccer Saturday on Sky Sports, and I live in Chingford. I moved in about a year ago. Everything needed doing. It was a huge renovation that we had to undertake, and I wanted to start with the kitchen because to me the kitchen is the most important room in the house. I didn't have any sort of set ideas about what I wanted, but as soon as I went into the Wren showroom, I walked in, I saw dark metallic night, and I fell in love with it, and I knew that that's what we wanted. I wanted to try and start experimenting in the kitchen a little bit more and doing a little bit more cooking. So we went for 2 ovens. As for the hob, I definitely wanted a gas hob. It's a really good one. I mean, the appliances are so high end, they're such quality. Probably the most important one at the moment, especially during lockdown, is the wine cooler. And you probably know why. With the virtual reality, it was so important that we did that, because if you can imagine this space, there was nothing in it at the time. It was literally just plastered walls. I was finding it really difficult to visualise what it would really look like and where everything should be. But as soon as I put on, when we'd made our decisions, and I put on the headset and looked around, it basically looked like it does today. It was absolutely exact. And it was so realistic, I actually went to put my bottle of water on the counter and it fell on the floor, so that was a little bit embarrassing. People will look at a kitchen like this and you know, it's a luxury kitchen, great quality as well, and they'll think, well, I can't afford that. So to take the 0% finance option, for me, it just gave us a bit of peace of mind, because you don't need all the money up front. So it just means that you can have, you know, a beautiful kitchen like this one, and you know, it's not such a burden on you financially. So yeah, I would definitely advise anybody who wants to purchase a Wren kitchen, go for that finance option. I've definitely got my use out of this kitchen already. We've only had it kind of like 3 or 4 months, and it really has become the hub of the home. It's just such a comfortable and relaxing space. You know, this is sort of where I spend most of my time now. I work there, I do Zoom interviews there, so I've interviewed some pretty famous names, just sat in this kitchen. It's become a place where I really enjoy spending my time. Well, this will be our 2nd Christmas in this home. Although our Christmas dinner was pretty good last year, I think it's going to be a lot nicer this time around. My boyfriend is the one who cooks, so he'll be spending more time in this area. I'll be spending more time in this area with a glass of bubbly, I think.